Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create customer contact template in Coda. So if you sign up to Coda and get free workspace, it should show you interface like this where you can click on new doc, then start with blank doc, right? And then you will be creating a table. Before that, we can write customer contact tracker. Then we add table, right? So here you see you have table that says customer contacts, right? Then we can click on delete and we will start from here. So let's start with customer name, then another column that says city. Then we have, let me remove this and we will create a new one. Right here we will create this particular column, name it say entry, right? And then the type of customer that is. So let's add that. So say customer is interested in a particular item within your company, right? So service or maybe product. So can create a category or department specific. So department. Finally we will add one more, and here we will add phone number, or instead of department we can also add email, right? So that pretty much creates your customer contacts, right? So here we will create a type, right? So for email we will create column type. Let's see if we have email, then we have phone, so column type people, then let's see we have option for phone, right? So phone number, right? Here you can add this to your document, phone number, add to doc, right? So we have phone number, email, then country. So country is a big list, I'm not sure we have pack for that, so we'll just stick with city and country for now as is, right? So they will have the text, so we will just conditionally format this into a color. So conditional format, then let's start with this color, which is gray color, right? Then comes another conditional format, we will pick another color, right? Then we have email, let's add one more color to that, and then finally phone. So I'll make phone more easy to view with orange, right? So unfortunately for me, another entry, right? So let's take a look at the option for phone. I'll have to close the previous one and go with conditional format. So we have for phone some color like, let's say, blue. Now we have our customer contact, we can add the name. So John Doe, city, say, let's say something like Delhi, India, then john@usc.net, then phone something like, right, and so on. So we have our first entry, we can go on keep adding the rows for this customer contact tracker. So we made this in Coda, and surely make this in other similar app like say Google Sheets, Notion, spreadsheet, etc. So I hope you get the idea how to make customer contact tracker in Coda.